All right, welcome to day 4. Today, we're moving on from faking analog to reading the real thing.
So, instead of just telling things what to do, we're going to start listening to the physical world.
See, our world is analog. Think of a volume knob. It's smooth, it's continuous, right? But the ESP32, it only thinks in digital steps. So how does it get that smooth turn?
Well, that's where the ADC comes in, the analog to digital converter. It's our official translator.
You turn the knob, the voltage changes, and the ADC just translates that feeling into a number.
Okay, so the ESP32 gets a number. But what kind of number are we talking about here? It can go all the way up to 4095. That's the maximum value it can possibly read.
Yep, it reads a massive range from 0 all the way to 4095. That is some serious precision.
In the real world, this means if you turn the knob about halfway, you get a reading around 247. Okay, let's connect this with yesterday. We can fade an LED, and now we can read a knob.
And if you put those two together, boom, you've just built a manual LED dimmer.
We literally have all the puzzle pieces now to make something really, really cool. This opens up so many new possibilities. So what's next on the agenda?
Tomorrow, day 5, we combine it all to build our first fully automated smart home gadget.